Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys in my YouTube channel. Today friend we are going to talk about guys how can we pair Bluetooth earbud with our Poco phone. Guys, you want to pair guys your Bluetooth earbud with your Poco phone. So how can you pair today? I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon and like my video. So friends, now let's see how to pair Bluetooth earbud with our Poco phone. So when we will on our phone setting guys, after on phone setting guys, you can see this tab of setting. Then guys scroll it and click on your phone Bluetooth setting. And guys, first of all guys take out your earbud because you want to pair one. So I take one earbud. And guys, first of all guys, you will have to enable your phone Bluetooth guys. After enable guys, refresh your Bluetooth setting. Then guys, you can pair guys your Bluetooth earbud with your Poco phone guys. So again guys, we will refresh it. Then as you can see your Bluetooth earbud name, I have guys TWS earbud. I will tap here to pair guys. You can see pairing. And as you can see pair block and cancel notification. Pair with pre-tone TWS guys. We want to pair. So guys tap on pair option. Then it will pair in your phone. As you can check guys your Bluetooth earbud battery percent also 100%. And guys sorry for this sound guys. I am really sorry guys. Ignore this sound guys. Focus on only video. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet in next video. Bye friends.